Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Topical question paper, the solution of part 4, and the topic is practical electricity. In this session, we will present the solution of 10 questions. So, the course is Cambridge O level. Physics, the course code is 5054. Let's start our session. Question number 1. The diagram shows a standard mains plug. What are the correct colors for the wires? Okay, the neutral wire can either be blue or black. So here neutral wire can either be blue or black, two colors. The earth wire can be either green and yellow or simply the green. Okay, and live wire is either brown or red. In Pakistan, the live wire is red wire is used as a live wire, earth wire is green, and neutral wire is black. And in other international countries, neutral wire is blue, earth is green and yellow. These are color coding, and the live wire is brown. So it is option B. Always make sure to use proper colors, colors of wires as a neutral, as a earth, and as a live wire. It's very important. Question number 2. Which costs the most if operated from the same main supply? So there are four options. I have calculated the cost of every option. Like in option A, a 5000 watt electric cooker, I convert this 5000 watt into 5 kilowatt, and for 1 minute is 1 over 60 hours, so it is 0.0167 hours. Multiply these two physical quantities, 5 kilowatt multiply with 0.0167 hours, it is 0.083 kilowatt hour, and multiplies now the 0.083 kilowatt hour is actually 0.083 units. Similarly, I calculate all the units values for all four options, and now by looking at the calculated table, 2.4 units is for option D. So if a 100 watt lamp is used continuously for 1 day, the number of units used are 2.4 or 2.4 kilowatt hours. So it's option D. Question number 3. In each of the circuits below, there is a short circuit. In which circuit does the fuse blow and make the circuit safe to repair? It's option A. The fuse is connected just before the short circuit, so a huge amount of current will flow from live to neutral. The short circuit condition occurs when live wire touches the neutral wire through some fault. So if this happens, as in diagram A, the fuse will blow up. In diagram, the fuse will not blow up because fuse is connected with the device. In diagram C also, the fuse will not blow up. And in diagram D, the fuse is connected with the neutral wire, which is not suitable or accurate connection. Always connect the fuse with the live wire. So option A, fuse connected to live wire before short circuit point. Question number 4. What is the purpose of a circuit breaker in an electric circuit? To prevent the current from becoming too large. If the current is becoming too large due to any short circuit condition, then the circuit breaker will trip. So the circuit breaker trips when current exceeds the safety limit. Question number 5. The diagram shows the circuit for a hair dryer. The fan has a power rating of 0.1 kilowatt and the heaters each have a rating of 0.4 kilowatt. The cost of electricity is 8 cents per kilowatt hour. What is the cost of running the dryer for 2 hours with switches P and Q closed and switch R open? Switch P is for fan and switch Q is for heater. So the total power is for switch Q is 0.1 kilowatt, and for switch P is 0.1 kilowatt hour, and for switch Q is 0.4 kilowatt hour. So the total power is 0.5 kilowatt. It is not kilowatt hour. Kindly correct it. Total power is 0.1 kilowatt for P, and 0.1 for 0.4 kilowatt for Q. So the total power is 0.5 kilowatt. Power is not Total power is 0.5 kilowatt. It's not kilowatt hour. It is typing mistake. Time is given as 2 hours. So the cost of energy is 0.5 kilowatt multiplied with 2 hours and multiplied with 8 cents per kilowatt hour. So it is 8 cents. Option D. So total power is 0.5 kilowatt. When we multiply 0.5 kilowatt with 2 hours, it will become the unit of energy, kilowatt hour. Question number 6. Which circuit shows the correct positions for the fuse and the switch in the lighting circuit of a house? Fuse and switch should connect to live wire. This is option C. Fuse and switch should connect to the live wire. Option C. Question number 7. A battery is used to light a 48 watt electric lamp. The battery provides a charge of 120 coulomb in 2 minutes. What is the potential difference across the bulb? The power rating of the bulb is given as 24 watt, and the value of the current is given in terms of coulomb and time in minutes. So first calculate the value of the current. Time is 2 minutes, and it is 2 multiplied with 60 second, it is 120 second. And the value of current is Q by T, 120 coulomb divided by 120 second, and it is 1 ampere. And the potential difference is power divided by the current, 24 watt divided by 1 ampere, and the value of the potential difference is 24 volt. Option C. Question number 8. Energy is represented by the letter E, current by the letter I, power by P, charge by Q, potential difference by V, and time by T. Which pair of equation is correct? It's option C. Energy is power multiplied with time. Power is VI. So energy is VI multiplied with time. Question number 9. The case of an electric fan is earthed. The plug to the fan contains a 10 ampere fuse. There is a current of 8 ampere when the fan works normally. The cable to the fan becomes so worn that the live wire makes electrical contact with the metal case. What happens? As the live wire touches the metal case and the metal case is earthed, so there is a short circuit condition between live wire and earth. So the fuse will melt and it will switch off the circuit. Option B. The live wire makes electrical contact with the case which is earthed. So a huge current will flow from live wire to earth through the metal case and will melt the fuse and will switch off the circuit. Question number 10. How much the energy is converted in a resistor of 5 ohm carrying a current of 2 ampere for 10 seconds? Energy is given as power multiplied by time. V is 2 ampere. And the value of the resistance 5 ohm. So volt is 10 volt. So energy will be 10 volt multiplied with 2 amperes multiplied with 10 seconds. So it is 200 ampere seconds. That is 200 joules. So option D, 200 joules.